Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to link Bandai Namco ID with Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA account. So here follow the steps. So first of all, click on this 3 horizontal line at the top left. Then you can see link Bandai Namco ID. So click on that. Now please read this. This will link your game data to a previously unlinked Bandai Namco ID. Once data is linked to an account, it cannot be unlinked. So if you agree, only then click on yes. Now simply log in with your ID, enter your email address and then password and then click on login. Now if you don't have the Namco ID, then you have to create a one. So scroll down, then click on sign up button and then enter your email address, password and then click on continue. And after creating a new account, then click on login and simply enter your email address and password and then click on login. So by this way you can link Bandai Namco ID with Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA account. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.